Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Oh God! Oh my Lord!
Red flag, red flag.
Basically walking up what is and current up on this side. How to usually draws the leaf. How to usually draws the leaf. Open on the car. He was still stuck in here at the time, but the helmet was off. The complete helmet and everything was off. The axle came off. Everything basically came off. These are some of the remains.
Viewers and subscribers, if you look on the first part of this video, you notice you see a car fly over the air. That's how horrible the accident was today involving the Jamaica racing car team. You see me? Our rally team of Jeffrey Panton and Mike Fennell Jr. You see me? Now Fennell is not hurt, but Mr. Panton is complaining about pains in his back after this car crash, you see me? And you know, he was rushed to the hospital, the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Barbados, and they might go check up on him and these things, you see me? So this accident actually take place at the Sagicor Kendall stage, you see me, of the Barbados rally, you see it? And if anything turns up about this, you don't know, we'll keep you posted about something like this, because a lot of people don't even realize that Jamaica have a race car team, a team that is champion, you see me, a team that is the man that is there, that is the champion in Barbados. Because really and truly, this race that they meet in an accident in is a defending champion race, you see me. They are defending their championships, you see me, and we are considered as Jamaican champions in this race, especially, you know, in Barbados itself, we should say. See, so Jamaicans have a lot of talent, you see me. So speedy recovery, and we wish all the best for Mr. Panton and Mr. Fennell. You know, them been doing good work with the race car thing and all these things, you see me, I say, and they're making Jamaica people proud. But you don't know the thing already, but just keep on posted as always, you see me. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. On the big up on yourself, you see.